Maria Fatima Alsoyed, representing the province of Negros Oriental. This is my first time and lingaw kayo mi sa masigarbong pagtambong namo dire. Daghang salamat kayo mi sa Miss Occidental and baling sa mga tao dire open kaayo and welcoming. We had fun. We're always full all the time. Siguro may busog actually. And daghang kayong salamat. Can't wait to be back. I'm inviting you everyone to come and experience the beauty of Misamis Occidental. Dili gid mo magmahay. Mautan kayo mga tao dire and kanang mga lugar dire lami kayo suruyan. Arina mo dire suruya ang Misamis Occidental. Daghang kayong salamat to the people of Misamis Occidental. Our heart is full together with the organization Miss Universe Philippines 2026. From the bottom of our heart, salamat kayo sa inyong pagdawat ka namo and pag-greet namo really special dire. And I'll be back for sure. Thank you!